So I
Okay.
must say that when I finished with the ICA, professionally, I was also promoted to be the head of retail of my bank
Yeah.
because of the in-depth knowledge I also had with this. Because I mean, you are able to contribute to a lot of things
That's true.
when it comes to staff taxations and all those things. You're able to help HR to assess it well. When it comes to corporate reporting, you are there for the finance team, business development, strategic thinking, you are there. So it's been a good journey. So yesterday when Nhyira called that I should
Be
whether
part
I
of
will
it.
be able, I didn't hesitate at all.
Right. Right. It's an
So
interesting
thank
journey that you have really shared. But I want to go back to something quickly that you mentioned. Looking at the fact that you are married with children, in some cases you were pregnant and still doing all this. There are many
yes,
people in your position who are currently still on the journey. What was it that really made you go through all of these stress, work, pregnant, family, children, but still go into the exam hall? Yes, you fail one time and you're like, no, I'm not failing again. What are some
yes,
of the things you think really push you to be able to do this in a record time as fast as possible?
yes. I think it's determination.
Mm,
Determination and also getting the needed tuition too. You see, when you are determined, you find solution.
good.
Like the old adage you say, where there's a will, there's a way. You find so I looked at myself, I looked at my schedule, I looked at my situation, and that was what led me to Nhyira Premium. So you are also part of it. I can't say because where I was doing the in person, as I said, I will travel a lot and I'll miss it. When I come, I don't have any recorded version to do it. So it's like if you are determined, you can do all of it.
Mm,
So my ladies here, life will not wait for everything to be in place. There are so many things we can't say here, but so
good.
many things were happening at the same time.
Right.
But with determination, you will do it. And I learned when you are pregnant and you learn to, your children become very sharp.
So it's an added incentive for the child so that you push the child to become a shark
Yes, it really
automatically.
added incentive. And
Right.
the boy is wild boy. I mean,
Wow.
the way he's so brilliant. So it's that is it. So as I said, it's determination. You will be cooking and you'll be listening to lectures,
Mm,
recorded version. You have to have time for the real lectures so that you'll be seated and you'll be prepared. Yes. So that is what I would say. Determination and also getting the all the added advantage with the institution you choose as well.
that's right. That's right.
Yes.
So looking at your journey, it means that you failed management accounting once, and then from
Yes.
there, all the papers you passed. You didn't
Yes.
fail any paper again.
Yes.
Looking at your experience and then with friends and people around you, colleagues around you, I believe we would have heard some people have written the papers over and over again and they keep failing. What do you think could be contributing to that? Is it that the ICA has become difficult than the days that you were writing, or what do you think? What do you think it's contributing to that?
I think I think sometimes it's the mindset. The
Okay.
ICA has been ICA for a long time. I had a cousin who started it and has even up till now has not even finished. It's the mindset.
Mm.
When you and I told you I never liked accounting.
Accounting, yeah.
No, 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 no. IFRS, whatever. You need to remember this treatment, measurement. I didn't love it. But when you are determined, you can do it.
Mm.
You can and you have to be solving a lot of past questions too.
Right, right,
Yes,
right.
you have to be solving a lot of past questions. But whatever it is, nothing new will be dropped. Yes, so you have to solve a lot of past questions. And if you don't understand things, please, you need to consult your colleagues and the lecturer as well. When we came in first, we were shy. We were all big
Yeah,
men.
yeah, yeah,
So sometimes when you ask certain question, you might think it's a dumb question.
yeah.
But meanwhile, it's the same thing that is worrying others that they are afraid to say. So Nhyira could testify that I was very loud.
That's
Every
true.
little thing. Sometimes people would just send me WhatsApp and tell me to ask their questions for them before they ask
Oh,
me.
really?
Oh yes,
So you became spokesperson for a lot of people.
yes. So I will ask the questions and we will all have the benefit of it. So that is it.
Okay,
You
okay.
just have to solve a lot of questions. Don't be shy. You just need to be determined as well. As I said, we were waking up 4 a.m. I mean, you wake up around 3, do everything, come, I mean, do the dawn class. In the morning, you are going to drop your children at school. Around 7:30, you have a meeting at work
Mm,
that you are supposed to present. So it's not easy. All the
right.
tests are on your neck. You just need to be determined, and you know that the world doesn't stop for you.
Mm, mm,
Yes.
mm, mm.
Yes.
That's very instructive. The world doesn't stop for you, so you have to make
Yes.
your decision and be determined to
You
go
have,
after what you want
yes.
to look at.
Have-
So if somebody is starting this whole ICA journey, and looking at your experience where you are now, banking, leadership, governance, uh, strategic management, and your level that you are now, somebody is starting this journey fresh. What would you say? Should a person just do the ICA and then that's all, sit there, or you can add other professions as you have add bind together? Because one of the things that stood out for me when you were talking about your career was the reflection that you had to make when the banking sector cleanup came in, and you were asking yourself, what do I have to do so that I can fit? Because you knew people who had done accounting and they were in MTN, they were in other companies, and these are recession proof businesses. So you reflected and asked yourself, what do I have to do to add to everything that I already have so that I can put myself in that position? So what would you say to somebody coming up? Because people are like, yeah, I'm done with ICA, that is all. Then they do their MBA in accounting. They only do PhD in accounting. What would you say about diversity in career as you have had? Is this something you will recommend other people coming up to do?
Yes, yes, I will really recommend other people to um, add on other careers as well. Fortunately for us, for ICA, it's a broad journey. So
That's true.
whatever you do, you can even concentrate on taxation, to also branch into it. You can do so many things. It gives you the platform to
Mm,
understand so many um, courses. So it's really not difficult to branch to do other things. I mean,
okay.
as the old adage goes, it's like you can't put your eggs in one
In
basket.
one basket. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
you have to look at, I mean, see yourself as risks and have mitigations. You
Mm,
are a person who brings in income, so you should also diversify.
okay.
Okay, as a
Okay.
person.
Okay.
Yes, as
Okay.
I said, I did learn economy, so I mean I know valuation. In banking, when people are coming for loans, they bring a lot of collateral. And because I have that knowledge in valuation, it really helps me.
Mm,
Different kind
mm,
of valuation really helps me. This strategic management and consulting that was also done is very good because it helps in marketing, managing people as well. The ICA as well, the accounting aspect, taxation, corporate, and even with the strategic case study that combines everything. It is real life
mm.
journey. So
Right.
you don't go there to see man accounting. When you are working, it is there. It is in that space.
Right.
So
Right.
that
Right.
is how the strategic case study is. So what I would say is that for a young person or any other person coming up, don't just land on the IC and just be there carrying your certificate around. You
Mm.
should do more than that. And as you are learning to, you have to partner with people already in the industry.
Okay.
Please work on networking.
That's true.
Network. You can know all the books in the world. It's not whom you know, it's who knows you.
Oh,
And for
okay.
people to know you, you have to bring value. Employers, they pay according to your value. So that is what I'll tell you. Don't
Okay.
just be just there. You can add on and also enhance your IC as well.
Okay. Okay.
I
Are
was there
you
and one of my mentors told me that asked me if I would do CPA, the US. I said, I'm tired of learning.
you don't want to learn again?
I said, I'm tired though. I will see. Because it's good. You can have, I mean, the ICA takes you to so many countries and
Mm.
stuff.
Mm.
Yes. But you can also add on since your mind is fresh,
Yeah.
there's CP, the rest. We have chartered financial consultants, we have a lot. Chartered credit analysts, all of them are there. You can all do that.
Right.